how to see who reposted my post on Instagram. So if you want to see who reposted my post on Instagram, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to just simply open up your Instagram application and make sure that you've logged into your account. Now here you need to go with your profile, which will be in the bottom, and under your bio you will see tabs like post, reels, or repost, or tags, something like that. You will also see a repost tab. You need to tap on it. Inside that you will be able to see all of your repost. But if you want to know if someone reposted your post, then you need to go with homepage and then go with the heart-shaped icon, which will be in the top right, and here you will have the notification. If someone reposted your post, then you will have the notification right here that this and this particular person has reposted your reel or your post. It will all show in your notifications tab. So that's how you can know. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.